Hi everyone, welcome back to series of 101 poems by authors of Manipur. We are now on poem number 3, Tale of a Land. This was written by Laishram Samarendra and it is translated from his original poem Khul Amagi Wari, translated by Thaunaujam Ratan Kumar. Tale of a Land, Khul Amagi Wari. It's the tale of a land gaining fast momentum in reputation in the northeast Chandrapur. It is not the story of pain and pleasure, nor of development, nor of making streets and bridges, of opening hospitals, of developing arable fields, of increasing literacy, or of wars and ills, of drought, of not ploughing, of rodents eating paddy crop, or of floods, of loss of crops, of starvation, of thirst, of deadly epidemic, of people dying. It is altogether a different story of only 7 or 8 people, of which half of them again has been coaxed and cajoled to join the group. It is not a tale of bravery, nor of jealousy, nor of robbery, of tyranny, nor of killing people. They quarrel. It is not that they don't have disagreements. They don't sleep. They take bribes, cash and kind. Do everything, but do for a noble cause, for fame, titles and aesthetics. The first MA of the land is there. Everyone is afraid of him. He is the poet, the scholar, is the know-it-all. There is also the first MSc of the land. He is the Einstein of the land. There is poet, there is critic, playwright, dramatist, journalist, all inclusive. There is essayist, novelist. They are all Pound, Eliot, Satir, Camus. Only 4 of them, again and again. President, secretary, treasurer. Repeatedly, only 4 of them become director, manager. All 4 of them only, again and again. Besides, not less than 6 meetings in a day at different places. Only 4 of them are there. The other 5 are not much involved. One welcomes the other, one garlands the other, one praises the other, commands, elevates on the high pedestal. They organize seminar, conference, festival, workshop. There is nothing that they don't do, which is done in the world, in their land. There was a mic fixed on a pole. When we enter, all 4 of them were there. One was sitting in the middle, one was garlanding, the other one was appreciating, the rest were clapping and applauding. After the meeting, they had the rice pudding. Now 8 years have been completed with ceaseless meetings and conferment of awards and title. Who is this year's Sangitarcharya? Konkham Thambau also stopped singing nowadays. How the title shall be confirmed on him, who is but a carpenter. There is also another Manau, but whether he is singing or not is also not known exactly. When asked to his daughter, she says that he sings a lot at home, but not in front of people in yards or under mandop. One who knows comes forward and asserts. If he sings or not is another thing, but he knows well the essence of music. Please give the title certainly to him. Then the people of the land appeared. On the day of the land appeared. On the day of the conferment of the honor, people started comparing for their candidate. There appeared two opposite groups, clashing each other. They came out with clubs in their hand. Women and children also came out. When all efforts of compromise failed, from the initiation of a suggestion by an elderly man, it has been decided to hold a trial selection. Both the aspirants of the title have to sing for the competition in the late night. However, showing his generosity, Manau sacrificed. The title surrendered honorably to Kongkham Thambau. From the next year, after awarding the senior fellow of Kongkham, no title for song has been conferred to anyone. On the day of the annual convention of the people of the land, wrestling has been organized instead. This is a poem, Tale of a Land, Khul Amagi Wari, written by Laishram Samarendra, translated by Thaunaujam Ratan Kumar in English. I hope you have enjoyed this poem. Let me know if you like it. What do you know about the author and other poems which you have liked? Keep tuning in. We'll come up with, let's learn more poems by authors of Manipur. I've come for cycling here, and let me show a little bit where I am. Thank you. Bye-bye. Keep tuning in.